Hello there, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the B Player app on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. Now, this method is going to use Unlinked. If you find value in this presentation, drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So, if you don't have this Unlinked app already, I suggest you look into the description below and you'll find an app I've linked, a tutorial showing you how to download this application. When you have that tutorial, click on Unlink to get in with your remote control on the OK key, and now add new library. After hitting that button, you see this toggle asking you to type in the library of choice. So enter the library code. The library is everything. So EVERTHING. No space, verify it is correct, and click enter. You are going to now when you click enter, it's going to load and you'll be able to access the library everything. Again, verify the code, make sure you have typed the correct thing. EVERTHING. If it's correct, this should work for you. And if you enter, you can find the welcome page. Click on enter to get in, and you need to scroll down to media and 11 media players, and you find 11 media players. Scroll and you're going to find the app you're looking for. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the B Player app. So locate B Player on this list of media players and click on it to find this download button. Hit download and be patient for a couple of seconds. The download will begin automatically. Now, depending on your network speed, this will take you from a couple of seconds to probably a few minutes. And when the download is complete, you'll be prompted to install the app automatically. Click on the installation button and you have this app installed straight into your app library. Enjoy the app, and if you found value in this tutorial, hit that subscribe button for more content just like this.